Chapter 1: Hardware and Software. Learning Objectives. Computer System. Hardware. Software.
Good morning, ma'am. This is our first computer class. What will we learn today?
Students, we will learn the different parts of a computer in detail. Computer System. A computer system is made up of various parts. Each part of the computer does a different task. The entire computer system is divided into two categories: hardware and software. Hardware. A computer is made up of different parts. Some parts such as keyboard, monitor, mouse, speakers, CPU cabinet, etc. are visible, whereas some parts such as the hard disk, CPU processor, motherboard, etc. are not visible as they are fitted inside the CPU cabinet. All the physical parts of a computer that can be seen or touched are called hardware. The hardware parts are further divided into four categories: input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices. The various devices that are used to enter data and instructions into the computer are called input devices. Some of the most common input devices are following. Keyboard. A keyboard is used to give input into the computer by using its keys. It contains 104 keys that can be divided into many groups according to their functions. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device used to move, point, and select any item on the screen. We can perform different actions such as click, double-click, right-click, drag and scroll using a mouse. Scanner. Scanner is a device that allows us to enter data directly from a paper into a computer system. It reads text or pictures from the page and displays them on the monitor. There are various types of scanner, among which the flatbed scanner is the most commonly used scanner. Microphone. A microphone is used to talk to people available online and to record voice or music into a computer. Webcam. A webcam captures photos and videos and stores them directly on the computer. It is directly connected to a computer, so there is no requirement for a memory card. Some laptops have a webcam fixed inside them. Processing device. CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processing device. It is fixed inside the CPU cabinet. It processes and stores the data and instructions given by us. CPU controls all input and output devices. It has mainly three parts. Arithmetic and Logical Unit, ALU. This unit performs all the mathematical and logical operations. Control Unit, CU. This unit controls and manages the working of all parts of a computer. Memory Unit, MU. This unit stores the data and instructions that need to be processed. The memory unit then passes the data to ALU or CU. Past fact. A list of instructions that a CPU processes or executes is called a computer program. Output devices. The various devices used to display output result after processing are called output devices. Some of the output devices are following. Monitor. A monitor displays the output, texts, pictures or videos on it. The output we get on the monitor is called a soft copy. It is the most commonly used output device. CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emitting diodes, are the three types of monitor. Printer. A printer prints the output, text and pictures on paper. The printed copy is called the printout or hard copy. The three main types of printers are dot matrix printers, print only in black, make a lot of noise while printing, can print only a few pages in a minute. Inkjet printers, print in color also, make very less noise while printing, can print many pages in a minute. Laser printers, print in color also, make very less noise while printing, can print up to 100 pages in a minute, best in printing quality. Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones are used to listen to music and songs stored on a computer. Speakers give out a loud sound, whereas headphones are used by an individual without letting others get disturbed by the sound. Storage devices. The various computer devices that are used to store work for future use are called storage devices. These devices hold and store information both temporarily and permanently. Storage devices can be divided into two categories. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It is present inside the CPU cabinet. Primary memory is of two types, ROM and RAM. Secondary memory. Secondary memory can store large amount of data and information for a longer period of time. The different types of secondary memory are CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk, external hard disk, SSD, etc. Software. A set of instructions given to a computer to do a particular task is called a program. A software is made up of one or more computer programs. It is a part of a computer that cannot be touched. For example, Paint and TuxPaint app. System software and application software are the two categories of software. System software. System software controls the overall working of the computer. The operating system such as Windows 10 is an example of system software. We can't even start the computer without an operating system. It manages all the input and output operations. Application software. An application software or an app helps us to do a specific type of work. For example, Paint, TuxPaint, and Calculator. Tricky terms. Capture, record accurately. Soft copy, an electronic version of a document. Hard copy, printed version of a digital document. Instructions, detailed information in an order. Memory block. A computer is a man-made machine that helps us to do many kinds of jobs. All the physical parts of a computer which can be seen or touched are called hardware. Input devices like keyboard and mouse are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. Output devices are used to display output, that is, result after processing. The various computer devices which are used to store work are called storage devices. A set of instructions given to a computer to do a particular work is called a program or a software.